All right, so now that we finished our warm up, we are going to move into a famous movie quote from the movie Dark Knight, and we're going to analyze the parts of speech within that movie quote. So the movie quote is, "You either die a hero or you live long enough to see yourself become the villain." So, the first word that we're going to analyze in this sentence is going to be the word you, which is going to function as a pronoun as it's the subject of the sentence. The next one is going to be either, which is going to be a correlative conjunction. I'm going to put CC for short, and that is because it's going to basically help you create a sentence that shows two complete thoughts but keep it within one sentence. Then we get die, which is going to be a verb because it is an action being described by the subject or for the subject matter. So then A is going to be a determiner, as A is going to modify the next word, hero, which hero is our first plain and simple noun, and it is something we are comparing you to. So then after hero, we get or, which is our other CC correlative conjunction, because either and or both help you take two complete thoughts and merge them into one sentence. After or, we get you again. And you is going to function the same as it did at the beginning of the sentence as a pronoun. We're just doing it in the second part of the sentence. And then we get live, which is going to be the second verb. And that is going to be the opposite of the word die, but it's going to form the same function. But in this case, with this pronoun version of you. Then our next one is going to be long. And long is going to be an adverb because long is describing how long you live. Then after that, we are going to get to enough. And enough is also going to be an adverb. And the reason for enough being an adverb is slightly different than long, as long is describing live. Enough is actually describing long. So then after that, we get to, which is going to be a preposition. And this is basically going to be a connecting word within the sentence. Then we get the word see, which is going to form as a verb, as see is going to be an action. Then we get yourself, which is going to be another pronoun, and it's going to form in the same way that you formed, but it's going to be the subject of the word see. Then after yourself, we get become. And then become is also going to be a verb, and it's going to be a verb because it changes the state of the sentence while also being an action. And then the is going to be another determiner as it specifies the noun to come. And then villain is going to be that final noun that forms as the opposite of, in this case, hero in this sentence. So there you have it. You either die a hero or you live long enough to see yourself become a villain, and these are the puzzle pieces that create that sentence.